Welcome to 8th class students. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, ecosystem. It has been taught to you in the lower class. Ecosystem means the ecological unit. Still the same definition is applicable even if you go in higher educations. So I marked for you. You see the term below the biodiversity. Ecosystem means ecological unit. Then it is different from ecology because ecology is the study of interactions between abiotic and biotic factors, and that is why ecosystem is classified into two. So two type of examples you learn. Abiotic factors are focusing on physical factors. Biotic components are focusing on autotrophs, heterotrophs and decomposers. In GSE you might have studied autotrophs are plants, heterotrophs are animals that depends plants for food. That you might have studied, but now you are going to learn a new thing, decomposers. Decomposers includes both bacteria and fungi that decomposes living organism so that the energy will be released into the ecosystem. So as a preliminary terms and the definitions we are going to study in this lesson, the most important terms. Then food chain and food web. No doubt you know food chain is a link. Food web is a network of many food web. Ray diagram also you have done. Now you are going to learn some extra point that talks about as a whole ecosystem. The best example is forest ecosystem that you are going to study. Based on that, you will learn the new terms, fauna and flora. Fauna means animals, flora means plants. Keeping all these things in the background, you use command pause and note down the points. Then we'll move on to the next page where you will pay attention to the concept map of ecosystem. Draw the ecosystem. It is divided into two parts, natural and artificial. Then natural is divided further into 4 and artificial divided into 3. Fine. Then think ecosystem. The best example, forest ecosystem. Then that forest ecosystem or ecosystem in general divided into biotic and abiotic factors. Under biotic factors, it is further divided into autotrophs and heterotrophs, and heterotrophs further grouped into herbivore, carnivore, omnivore and decomposer. Then abiotic factors includes 5 factors: sunlight, air, water and temperature. You note down this concept map and draw it, then go as in a broad sense forest ecosystem. Then we will study tropical rainforest as an ecosystem, then temperate deciduous forest, because tropical situation refers to warm. We are living in India, the tropical country. Temperature is a colder region where you have forest also. Then the third one is coniferous forest. We have this forest in Himalaya. All these things keep in your example and try to learn the concept map of ecosystem. Thanks for watching. We'll see some more details in the next video. Bye.